Schoolboy is world champion between under 23. Is your plans also to compete on WAF to try to get that title too while you're still young?
Right, to be totally honest with you, um, it's not in the books for me. Um, you see, I'm going to focus. You know, it's actually crazy to think that I have these opportunities. Being on the biggest arm wrestling stage in the world, this is mind blowing for me. So this is my focus is East versus West. I want to be the best, and I want to do this for years on the East versus West stage. I don't think I'll ever try to go to WAF, to be totally honest with you. I enjoy this. I don't like tournament arm wrestling, even though I do have a good resume with tournament arm wrestling. I enjoy super matches. It's something I can focus on. And I feel that this makes me better and better to try and learn how my opponent pulls and to adjust during the matches. That's something beautiful I like about super matches. And how lucky am I to do it on the biggest stage in the world for the third time this year? How many people can say that? So if you take a second and just realize how lucky and blessed I am to be on this stage, you don't have any thoughts of competing anywhere else.